cleaners nigo bagusibya balingana kubase cyanga cyao wekerano ngusibya bare ekisuti kigown kiduve.
Chini tariki ni 13 mutino yo gatano gatatu mwaka no yowe chirubera merongo ebere netano yomo wanchomo ligerinde no kwegena mbiyorando siasole na kwaliganire na wegoko yanyora omangana mayeye kyonga chinsa inyechi abo no butweletera seras nyekonde asense milimo nyirero ni hale Wilson Makolili tangani anegati ali kwaliganire tia senchura yobwenge.
Nasa tigasi seni abara ibebi wangu mbari mwaja gotoa engwa
aba saibana ubabeta bakobwatirani gwasomo basukano we para sense mu yanyansongo ni gobeni gorero sense mu yamagenche bumachoge borabo
koega kana tole na koega ngobwate sida esida tobwate ngobwatitanya na mono no echo bano kebara bano yani ere sida no no ne o yani tibesira tukwena na tole machiegi
abonchereria bekirana yanyako ekwe murunganiri ukuboro gwe kinyomba cya kibara amo na mache
igase tutenene ne skuru ya bomba primary ne skuru ya chagete kare sana ya somiri abantu babeira abantu keto kuligeri maega chicho chire maega che skuru ne chicho chitago gete cherete
abagori ni gobesokire na kwe murunganiri igoro yamagacha mu beye skuru ya bomba ba kompresfu kingoki kiga chiskuru kirobere go chiko igoro asetamu ya gatatu. Karibu homanchumo ligereria mo yegabo matanga yokobeni abasaibane abo babete bakubaterani gwasomo basukano mugwe para yo bwatirana tipigipige yibaringe ko ende mo ne pasi skuru asense mo yanyansongo igo kolekana asense mo ya magenche wodi ya magenche bunge ya bumacho gebrabwe county ya Kisii kingege cyo kuboligwa ni go kwa rurugochi asabarundi ko moiso kingaki bari para muri kitogeri patikopi araboti rwasinchira yobwekira
wetera no gusira kwa mubasukano kwa abamura barenga se pigapiga basirita sensemo ya nyansongo itukulia lero nigo omatanganya kwa korekana sensemo ya magenche umachoge wa burabu
korali nasa tigasi seni abara ibebi wangu mbari mwaja gotoa engwa
bantu baistokya ase okubalirira abamurabu nigo bateba buna mibasukano bune yiga yako bage ko baro na injira neta kiriko nyako bage kuri wasu gutanga mibasukano enga bune yiga bange mbeso kia suku barerera nabo yigo kurwa magomba abo ya bange nabo yigo mbanya ko bakweresera ubutaba okubo sibore nabo yigo kugenda ko bakweresera uburunge bw'nyako ko baro ase kugenda ko kurenda uburendi weterase ukinia abasae nikinsemo ntenenera ararenge bono kuwa sensemo ya magenje ime ya machoge bwabura bwe county ya kisingo libo teregete mama leta nje Gilbert Kobi
Iskoro lya rero ni gabonchero lya kurwase chirenene ya nyokebe so kirena kwemurunganelia ubutabo bwe kinyumba kya kebara okuborwa kwa mache ngana bateruna n'ubutaba n'abaraya umagega yo kubachora abatali wekirani abokorero buya nigo baterune serikali ye county ya Kisii anyenteligo chiko mukege tambokero kyawango nigo barachigotenena wakanebango muri kitodibo ne asanya arobatirwa senchira yo wekirana
haba unchurulia kurwase chiro enene ya nyakoe nigo bono besokire na kuboria konyora oboteneri bwechireywe kubwatekana nigo bagenderete gwetera amakongu amange nemechando yo konyora bokoreri buri bogwenerete
Boke, tuna bantu ndeno monto relio nyakoega. Kero tole nyakoega ngo bwate sida. Esida to bwate tanya. Na mono no echo bano kebara bano yani ere sida no ko no ne o yani. Tibe sira ti buena na tole machiegi nga. Le jano mo bwat obora iwo. Ama tua dara tu ngana ki. Takoro nini. Ko rigwa. Aba chali mori motu. Aba chali o boi kere fatin dei sietri. Pero no kwenda matukana kolire.
Nespo Nyuyugi ongoni ya mtumba kura bunga ya bune tuga ga ye chiro nturaro bachori bonde bwensi chikura tuachore mara kabiri to ka registration nturaro kende gyonse
korengana n'uburayi botakere ko chorwe se chire obwa beire ngaki kunya go drego una bwo bakongo to bwate no echo njiyo bona ikikara to kora ekara to kote babe ko burayi ri tuko to ko bonyora to bwake mbura be kubuya bona burayi to te bwa ku Tuesday go se Friday ina mbata geti batote to te niecho
ensemo yende nigo bairere nga nigo bagendete komenyera ubwoba ebire bitambe nigo babere batabwati obuteneri agayo kubunwa kwebunge yabateneri bechireyo
ama to ko mo kine firimbi to myoka bakasara ati atakore bane tutagete gusena kimotagete umuto ari chibulinga buneri amache ga muro chitange no chibekire gurai mwari kurende chibase chimobeka no chitange gurai chuma cha itari gukora gasi
enkoboriga ngotoretera bare chikura tochore ritukoria chumaine go se Friday go se na kibatete ne chogo togo tiga bakuku
ensemo yende nigo chinyomba chobo chanu chisiekire okubora kwa mache asechireywe nabo igo obochahabu kobekwa chinsemo ngana bone kobairira barabwo komenya n'ubwoba asokonyora ane na marweire
chichoga chirandi cyabandi toichwiri bakakwanda kwanyore sikire gali kwanyore kwale tendagire nchafu ende gosumbwete
nyomba chobo chanu echire nchiyo echisiekire echire chinchau manje are gali morote ngana manje lakini manje taiyo
nigo bano baruro koboria kwa bwango asokwigwa ekerero kyabo nagokora obochori eli banyore abateneri abo baranyare ko bakonya asoboteneri bwechireyo banyare kogenderera gokora obonchero bwabo kurinde nigo bamentanga onyembali go chikoigwa nigo barachie gotiga gwakane bango
mama unare mama one tu amwirega kuna bangina nabagaka batogo kole tiroga mutakera next week anya bachori muri go tukakora mpaka Friday ya second chika kichari ndo basakora bachori ba ocha se tirenga kuchoga bale abangina mwatira ba
kuroiga asechiro ya nyakoe gotoke bunge ya Kitutu cha South County ya Kisii ila ni ngonkoro kwa Dipon asanya
wamenyi kurwanya choko ime ya bubasi nigo banyarire gosaba barayi gochia kubanyura samagendro ase wodi ya bugitaurio ime ya bubasi nigo bakwanire goro ye chipaseri chipara na boiga macha segatia yande banyara ko musaba Innocent Obirio yoru mujumbe bubasi gochia kubanyura samagendro kyagera na roba machorete
asama leza ngo James no mulebunde nka mbugitaurio so koreke mana kia mangana tuomire sana Bugitaurie tuomire zaidi. Kere kama kego jage kwenda uji moino, kiagenda centro moino. Kiagenda Busanza kiagenda Buitangale. iga so kurigere jibara muna moyete iga bararia para nchiyo
iyo ngene tuko tubwato bakongu bonke mono kuruwa yete umuntu kurubino sa chipura iga kurubino sa ndiada kabino sa kabisa chiparo to chandegete to korira tuware ririgo twarosi
dada ari innocent o tese twa kama chorete ntwanya komoro yone kini tokerochi ye twa begete kura bosa nande bakabono iga na butobegete bosa para nchiyo bogetaoria koruti botonto bakabora bwera mani pasari ya sukuru ntwanya korora bono tokwe kuna chipasari nkuru kuchira bosa bono nande egento kende sitima nkuru bwere sitima ntobwati debibo
muntu oraire kitoro abegeta abantu bisinya macharia okogendo bagukungaino bolimo bweka abantu baye bonsi pi bobiri bali baro bisi nabangaine liboka bakuna kurusi pasali obisi bakoni bagokorera ebintu byabo ntu uno mogeta uligose
ubo tenene rweskuru yoboroso yabumba bahamo n'abagwatani bande besokire nagosaba sekibesa cy'umurabenso muske William Ruto kokonye skuru yo chiachete urangana muno botenere rweskuru yo chiringi chimiliyoni 5 nigo cherwetu asomurabense ase kitararekana ase kire enkorengana nabarubu ase bateruna amagacho yesukuru ekyo nigo akwamete muri kitogire batikopi roboti rwasenjira yowekera
ime ase skuru yoboroso yabombaba egotoka wo kitendere ward ime yabumachoge bwa chache asogonyora amagacho ataikiraniti abamenyi bense migo nigo bakorera mikera ugotaikira nigo kwa amagacho ayanya ko bakuri ukira kingaki asitinde
asa marieta ngoro ku Dennis okali oyobokemu manye kene bune simba ya charge igase to tenene ne skuru ya bomba primary ne skuru ya jagete kale sana ya somiri abantu babeira abantu keto kurire limaega chicho chire maega che skuru ne chicho chitago gete cherete kero to kurire ne chicho chine chire muino gaiga chitago gete cherete ngenta gete koboliga aba usikali bateneta mangana kauti government na national government omosike paradiso nayo mwe MCA boro kongoro abo chitendere bomba ba primary school turaro class kende gyonsi yorro kia county government no nya ni CD class number 2 turaga chicho no ne yemo bomba ba yeito primary number 3 omochumba alifa miruka no bote 2% ya emergency chiko aja chi school chicho lero no tore bomba baga yuko kanyeta abana bagwe choime tomaye gocha korosie choyega
umutangani wabo nigo bakweresera buna kingaki obo agachibwata kiriko nyara kobo korekana munyako korekana kulinde boniga obwo bambororo igoro yobwa chweji cho asenye nchobono mbwa toko wa sauti ya sawa na wao chugoje school
garna jore to mwako yo gadabo ngago ne goro se gore da go de administrative block
yes
nero ba gabdo dani
oh yes
ahora ne yo ire na do to jiro se ba ko mai de chiyo je to mujia ba do ba do se na bi
yes
Kwangana barabugo omurayi gwense William Ruto na aliyeteira na ndaka ruchibesa chatakere unyargo ikigo ikiranio obwagachi na kende yonskanya ko yo korekana ime yabombaba kurende bono kende ngeyo yo korekana
chibesa ekere president ya Kenya ya chite bomba baga ya ruete 5 million kana ngolero twachaga torole 5 million chitumegete chirose tinane chichobune chichigwete chirose tinane klasi bune konyegera kela sote nani ji brasi bia bana baisi timwaro lile bire buti mbiri 5 million sarado of mana jara kokonya bomba beje to esku yubosi ndio tokobori mochumba arifa miruka 5 million chi arwe tukashi ne president Ruto na ardali kwa muboli iga kote betinga na rule 5 million chikonye skuru ya bomba
kori batirige tembe kurwa sensemo ya bomba o machoge chache amalika nenche Gilbert Kobi
Parai korwa sepunge ya West Mugirange kaunti ya Nyamira nigo bagendete wakire koko sewalige chigo chorwa sobo chori obonene ukona chinge cyo muncheria hoibo igoro mwana siasa umuskero Jas Muture nigo haruro kuboligo chia sabu gusigo chamo na kwene kibuna nkumusira bale omo konyi bomurayibe kyama ya Jubilee umuske Dr. Fred Matiang'i asekanga yo kuligo borai somaka wechirwe 2025 ukona chinge cyo Muturi ni gateruna mogusini gabonete guchamo
abantu baminto mokola gonsabira rende bintu kibyasinyire West Mugirango egento nalingi kubatebya mbia mono sana ase chikura chirimu angete chia 2022 nkaira lakini Nyasaye agantebira na umyura abori mono motigera ite tamokole tigasi egasi ya mosijire ana kontra kimbwate ibaga nani nyetingo tara na bibago neo monene mwenseye President William Samoei Ruto, mimi sitakutukana kama wewe rais wetu wa Kenya, lakini mtu ambao tuko kwa hapa kwetu Kisii ambao anataka kuwa president ni mtoto wetu Fred Okengo abantu wa mindongo sabira mwana Fred Okengo majani tangondora my Fred abantu wa mindo onde bwenzi korugai gabusise itos busi onya oromonto isiko yo mwana minto agenda ka abantu baminto mbiamono nchaso gonsabira mukona gonsabira nanje ningende takotara na inwe nande korugai gamasosa narabu iri abana ngobeke gasi yakiwakani ngendere ko gasi kabire embole nakimo cha ngompimera ntari mochume ntabwati kende nane mwambimere kende uno kuna gocha ekero omochumbe bali twaire gasi bagokora ekero bagotenena igaba to budget chibase cheito na kibachi tumire tari weyo osemota kitembo mochume ntari ko batebi kende ngo baisana sina batebya chibase chino nchiko bechiane chabe chino eyine ere gasi ngo chakokora abantu bamito muna bonsabira Nyasaye babikora sana
uyo kabiro muna chibino munene haigemeyense hoibo igomere tekero kyobura ibense abigo murai bekyama gia United Green Movement David Maraga igonera esokire na kugigere chiburo buru echo chenegatigwa se county Omabay ubona kurwa somo cho Nairobi nigo haraga boigo amochira abanyanyimbo asogo takore gasi ya wekerano asokwene kibuna boni kwera bale aigemeyense ya Kenya.
I was appalled like all the other Kenyans with that organized police violence and goonism. That ended, as I have said, in the death of 4 people, including a police officer, and the injury of more than 50, including journalists, who I understand even their equipment were destroyed or captured. I demand that you immediately release and publish the complete and unedited task force report within 7 days, failing which I will release it myself to the public so that the Kenyan people will know why the police are only serving one person.
Nsema ya barai kurua serombe ya linda mwananchi ni waikirana CBC cha DCI ime yomojo Nairobi rio kurua kwimurunganiri kwabo higoro yali abeteka kwenekiwa ase county Omabekero balingo koletaro ase county yo okwana nabalikiwa mungana mu jumbe Babu Wino gavana James Olengo igati ya barai bande ni gobateru na baune nigo bakanetwe so kora chiburaburu echiyo chairete aba Kenya gusiria mugima bona bande gotigerwa chingoma chimbe.
Don't weaponize. You are making Kenya become a police state, and we have been there before. Don't use the law and the courts to harass and intimidate law-abiding citizens of this country. And we have been on this route before. The mighty systems that were there before fell when the Kenyan people said that enough is enough. So today I want to say that we are ready and prepared to take any challenge, violent or otherwise, from the state. This is state terror, and when there is state terror, we must express our outrage and resist state terror. If you look at the American Constitution, the Declaration of Independence, and the preamble to our Constitution, we are allowed to resist a state that is oppressing its citizens.
But they don't bring changes. There is no change that they brought to you. They promised you jobs. There are no jobs that you're having. That goon in Homa Bay, who was so vicious to attack us, which job do you have? Then we were expected just to sit and watch these goons attacking us. Something which is very, very unique is that as we were being attacked by these goons, whom we later overpowered and got to town, and they said we would never step in Homa Bay town, we went and we saw the freedom, a sign of relief that the great people of Homa Bay enjoyed when they saw us. There is fear that has engulfed the city because of the politicians who are not going to come back in 2027. Something unique that happened is that as we were being attacked, police officers were just looking at us. And something so unique again is that those police officers were also, one of them was killed by those goons. Several were injured by those goons. Wanga's and Kaluma's goons were injured. There's one police officer that, were it not for me stopping the cars,
Muhuraibi kiama gia DCP Rigathi Gachagua nigo sokire na kumochia serikali sekeria terune serikali nigo ya bwatiranite na yenegetiwe se county ya Homa Bay sateruna muroberio uno gotema Umuraibi nso muski William Ruto gochare baswa sobura ya sentunda ya kabire ukona chinge kyomerana na baraikorua ukambane sensemo ya wa munyoro ime ya Nyeri nigo baigo muski Gachagua amochomo waziri wa polendo ime Kipchumba Murkomen buna nigo agotumeka bobe libagari hai yoburai.
The most definite, what I hear is called sure bet, is one single presidential car. I'm committed, and myself and my people will make whatever sacrifices necessary to make sure we have one presidential candidate. After the identification of that candidate, if it is me, I will lead that campaign to the end. If it is not me, it's somebody else, I'll be the director of the presidential campaign. Na huyu Ruto ananijua. Si ati anijui. Anajifanya ajui lakini ananijua. We are going to work on this thing and it will succeed. So William Ruto has just realized ya kwamba hii watu ya Luo Nation sio watu ya kuuzwa wholesale. You know, he bought ODM from Junet Mohammed, Gladys Wanga, and Oburu Odinga. And he thought that he has bought the Luo Nation as well. Sasa when he heard akina Sifuna and Babu wanaenda huko, akapatiwa intelligence ya kwamba they are waiting for them in thousands. He couldn't stomach it. He was so bitter. Because alikuwa amenunua ODM akifikiria amenunua Jaluo. William Ruto, you just bought a shell. Ulinunua makaratasi. He has said 5 times there should be no goons. Goons continue to cause terror, and he is the president. Everybody knows he is the one doing it. Sidi kuongea tu anaongea. Because he has said 5 times there should be no goons in this country. Murkomen, goons is a thing of the past. Inaendelea. Goon was supposed to be paid 10,000. The goons are crying, they were shortchanged, wakanyolewa 6, wakapewa 4. Hii wizi Kasongo amefundisha mpaka watu yake. Wanaiba mpaka pesa ya goons. They are even stealing from goons. And I want to tell you Kasongo, these goons, when they turn against you, utakuja kuniambia. 1 police officer has been killed. 5 civilians are dead. 33 Luo men have panga cuts. They are in hospital. 8 cars were torched. Na hizi ya polisi. 22 civilian cars are destroyed. 3 churches have been destroyed. 2 hotels have been destroyed.
Aso roboti rumonchumo ligele tonyoru mo timokomo keto kwira na ntugende ne kyonga sinchira yoboikira.
Eduka ya Uhuru Superstores yo gutoke miyomo cy'obusongo nkonya bale ebintu buna bono mbabwate esukari kurwasa chi company ao obusi bw'engano amabuta y'icingeni kurwasa chi company ao amajani kurwasa company lya Keteba echumbi ya Kensalt egati bintu binde binge bwigo nkonya bale chirangiche company ya Crown asibego bakonya amabati kurwasa company lya MRM aywale ayechi size ao nabego ne chirangi ao nkonya bale Black Sheets egati bintu binde binge inyura nka mbabwa tobokoreri obu yabuna bono uyabo bosombi gose transportation mbabwa tobokoreri wa forklift asibego bokoreri wa which customer care buri obu ibirengo bigoro totigara magega agirira rero bwikumbolere ibintu biga aserigurira mu buko asamange totalere astisemo cha Uhuru Complex eyuerange na magacho Safaricom hoigo no tukutuka sakro ku JM Towers ange na Credit Bank ime yomuchi wosongo bakere simgwetra set number chabo 0111 161 500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani. Nyota Dry Cleaners ndiko bagusibya balingana kubase cyanga cyao wekerano ngusibya bale chisuti chigown chiduve chicurtains chicarpet ebikoro tukurwa bide by'abana wekabide by'abantabanene wigo mukuru bale obokoreri wa vacuum cleaning sofa set cleaning asechinga ndiko bagutuka imeyumo cy'ubusungo nyanjwa hanene gitali ya maiso mbabwate bwigo bokoreri bwa pickup na bwigo delivery asamange bakirisime ase namba 0742178765 Nyota Dry Cleaners, nyota ya usafi.
Karibu nainde humanchumo ligerelia hikembe kia National Cohesion and Integration Commission NCIC igo kia munenki mujumbe webunge ya Homa Bay Town Peter Kaluma kubatakana ni chinkwani chio habeteka kubwatoka busubetaro ya babwatani balinda mwananchi ase county Homa Bay hikembe kio gwetera somo nyakiro Bishop Kebanyamweya igo haene kiribu na chinkwana chia Kaluma nigo chialenge chiogo segetana koleta liberera Singa kichense ya Kenya gendete kwerobelia soba chole bonene bole bosibo mwaka w'ekiro 2025.
As we received the information of what happened in Homa Bay and also saw through television some of those incidences, we took action. The first thing was to issue a statement which I circulated to the media stations concerning our concerns as a commission. Then number two, followed it up with action.
Mjumbe webunge ya Homa Bay Town Peter Kaluma ndiga chire kembe kyalinda mwananchi asogo cha kichibura burwa se county Homa Bay kinga kiba kolete tara senseme yuli tikolia chumapiri chichereta abantu bere gosiria magimabo nabande gotigirwa chingo machimbe Karuma nigo chinga kichiboigo amachiro mugavana we county ya Chemsiolengo amono mjumbe webunge ya Embakasi East Pabo wino so kuwatirana nabone wekirani chibura buru echo.
Sorengo and Babuowino also recruited individuals across all towns and trading centers in Homa Bay to coordinate their activities and to enlist for them local people and college and university students to support them during the Homa Bay rally, enticing each of them with a promise of 3,000 shillings. Governor James Orengo and Babu Wino booked these dreaded thugs and hardcore criminals into hotels across Homa Bay County, especially in Homa Bay Town constituency, well before the rally. They operated between Kisumu and Homa Bay County for a whole week to the 16th of August when the rally was to take place, even as Governor Orengo and Babu Wino continued public addresses threatening violence upon the people of Homa Bay and inciting violence during the Linda Mwananchi rally, which they scheduled for 16th August. I hope you remember Babu Wino saying they were going to Homa Bay to colonize Homa Bay people, and the threats of, if you are married and your son will be out, let him dig a grave that can bury him before 16th and before he leaves the house on that day. I will be giving you those videos if you don't have them. I had a public meeting with Boda Boda riders to plan an economic activity which we've been scheduling to take place in this month of August. When I finished the meeting, I found a huge crowd of my constituents, mainly consisting of women. I informed them that the Linda Mwananchi team had brought thugs into Homa Bay and booked them in local hotels to harm our people on 16th August 2026. I told them to stand firmly with the ODM party and behind President William Ruto. I directed all hotel owners to ensure they had full details of their guests and indicated that we would be inspecting the hotels to ensure they harbored none of the hired goons and criminals. And by the way, let me tell you, it is the law. Every hotel owner must keep full details of their guests, and the citizens have the right to arrest. In this case, I had information, and we were going to undertake.
Muraiben somuske Daktari William Ruto ni hamochiria baraiben semo yo kwamerire serikali abaibere bagateno muroberio sha tuligokora mirimo hawa sebagendete kubangaina abakenya nigo boigo habori abakenya bari batererikia aso muroberio yo nekibona nkweli kibale heli bakonye chinga kibakuri ubukweni ase chinyagitari igaya kwana yaiga chinga kikirana se nyumba y'emisangirikano ya KCC askari n'ababwatani be sector y'obocheno muri kicho plan nyakunde arobati rwasinjira y'obwikira
Igikaro kia matukabere kiobochenu ni ogiachaka kigimali tukulia rero ase nyumba y'emisangirikano ya KICC abwase ababwatani bensemo y'obochenu baikirana ligukwanira emirobiryo yabekirwe ligutingia obukoreri bw'obochenu imeyense Umurai bwense umuske William Ruto ni gwara igikara ikio abwase abakagoteba bunakera omukenya na abwenderete koba na afya yebirengo by'igoro buna ekatiba yense ya Kenya egochika.
Ni haki ya kila Mkenya awe na afya ya hali ya juu. We have come together as the people of Kenya together to do a stock take of where we were 4 years ago, where we are today, and what we have achieved, and what needs to be fixed.
Umurai bwense nigo airali bagirio komochia ensemo ya barai bakwamereria eserikali abo bagoteba buna shate igokora gasi abwase boigo aburia baria batarairikia koirikia elio ebakonye amo ne amata yabo ekero baganetie obogwenia.
Kama hatungekuwa na watu waongo kama nyinyi, kama hatungekuwa na watu matapeli wanaosema ya kwamba SHA haifanyi na yeye hajajisajili, yeye hajaenda hospitali, anaongea mambo ya SHA kwa jukwaa ya siasa. Kama hatungekuwa na watu matapeli kama nyinyi, hatungekuwa na haja ya kusema SHA inafanya. Lakini kwa sababu tuko na watu wakora na matapeli na waongo ambao wanaenda kusema mambo ambayo hawajui, SHA ambayo hawajajiandikisha, ndio inatulazimu tuseme SHA inafanya, na tunasema hivyo na evidence, na tuko na ushahidi. Hawa CHPs hawa katika kila sehemu ya Kenya ndio mashahidi wakubwa wa kusema ya kwamba SHA inafanya.
gukwanira abakora emirimo abo bakwirwa ase ogokonya abarwaire ase ebinyorogo se community health promoters nigo omurai bwense aliirayo gocheka basha amone chifamili chiabo bosa batali gwakana kende.
Tutawalipia bima ya SHA 50% by the counties, 50% by the national government. Na chairman wetu wa Council of Governors ako hapa kwa niaba ya governors, amesema mwenyewe watalipia gharama ya SHA kwenu na familia zenu.
Ginko lipotili egeteseni kia Getembe egetariane Brian Nyakundi.
Na kiraga bumonchomo ligena no gwikira omweli wa mwana mayaye kionga chinsenye cyabo no butiko iriterane Cyrus Nyakunde ansense mu yimenyerero ni galinga Wilson Makole ayayikamera ni galinga Wilfred Matunduro nyene kichibicha na muri wo kira senjira yo bwikirano ni galinga DJ Atsen nago sebiro twaro buligereria nabigo butiko borobia
Pagaka ninjo, ninjo Getembe, ninjo Dorome, ninjo Mangana Mazu, ninjo Pangina ninjo.
Moita keminyo tangana mwimuka keminyo ningi akukwanyo araga keigo aye kumwagende mwana uchiali moita keminyo tangana mwimuka igo tata akukwanyo araga ke na kwakuo akwaye bono olubiya kubonyo imuka iga bane barako genda oimuka igo bantu ko baraga chiroro twali oyo ngane mutu dedero yega muturi uriyo turiyenga musiyoliyo yosiwa mono ntoyo no taloriyo ndomba monyoru nomasi orende tata ikwanyora gake na kotota na ndenge kende ya ikwanyora na karage twara boyo muita keminyo tangana muimoka igo ine ay mumura na ay musubati na bantu mundi greti nwaya nyangirando tungi kone mori ay tungi
Pagaka ninjo, ninjo Getembe, ninjo Dorome, ninjo Mangana Mazu, ninjo Pangina ninjo.
Eduka ya Uhuru Superstores yo gutoke meyo mu cyobosongo nkonya bale ebintu buna bono mbabwate esukari kurwasa chi company ao obusi bw'ingano amabuta y'icingeni kurwasa chi company ao amajani kurwasa company ya Keteba echumbi ya Kensalt egati bintu binde binge bwigo nkonya bale chirangiche company ya Crown asibego bakonya amabati kurwasa company ya MRM aywale ayechi size ao nabego ni chirangi ao nkonya bale black sheet egati bintu binde binge inyura nka mbabwa tobokoreri obu yabuna bono uyabo bosombi gose transportation mbabwa tobokoreri wa forklift asibego bokoreri wa which customer care buri obu ibirengo bigoro totigara magega agirira rero bwikumbolere bintu biga aserigurira mu buko asamange totalere asinsemo cha Uhuru complex eyerange namagacho asafaricom hoigo no tukutuka sakuru ku JM Towers angena credit bank ime yo mu cyobosongo bakeresi migweterase chinamba cyabo 0111 161 500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.